Alright, got the second one done. Everything's back together. You might notice a bit more oil on the floor. When I screw up, I'll hold my hand up, admit to it. I'm going to put the second gland in. I didn't seat the inner lock ring, and as soon as I cycle the bucket, of course it blew the gland out. Pretty good mess. But poop happens, all I can say. I'll clean this up sooner or later. Just measured the bucket from the cutting edge to the floor is 34 inches. And when it was drifting down before, you could put your finger on the rod and feel it drifting down. And now you can't. It's rock solid. So it looks like, I guess from data manufacturer, they didn't torque those piston nuts very good, and there was no evidence of Loctite at all. It was just metal on metal. Loctite, I use this high strength thread locker. This is 271. Don't use the blue, that's medium strength. Just high strength thread locker. Ain't rocket science. Any auto parts store has it. And now I got oil all over the front end of this thing. Pressure washer's back at the house. I got to drain the well here sometime this weekend. It's supposed to get down to 24 degrees or 25 degrees over here in northeast Texas next Tuesday morning. And so I got to drain the well and the water system. But let me grab the tape measure, put my rag down. Cost to repair both cylinders about $110, not per, that's total. So a little kit from John Deere, worth the money, not super expensive. Now I'm still at rock solid 34 inches. So we're going to call this a good repair. Like I oiled down the four-wheeler too. Anyway, that's how you fix a fairly modern John Deere cylinder. Just take your time. I put the difficulty at about a 3.5 out of 5. Main thing is take your time, remember what goes where and what orientation. It's easy to get the cup seals turned around backwards if you're not paying attention. Do one at a time, all else fails. You got one together, you're unsure. Take the second one apart and see how things are set up in it, and you'll know what you're doing. Anyway, all for this one. Hang.